guys, welcome back to How to Solve. This is Sanipal here. Today I'm back with another amazing video. This tutorial will show you how you can enable or what is the problem happening in your router or your setting that can prevent the network showing up in your Android device. So let's get to it. First of all, go to your browser. So you need to know that your device is 5 GHz supported or not. If your router is 5 GHz supported and your mobile is not supported, then this will not work. So just go to GSM Arena. GSM Arena. Here you can see. First one, just select OK, and then here in your search button, just select your device. So after selecting the device, in your COM section, here you can see you need to see this four letter ABGN or dual band. If dual band is not written here, then and ABGN is also not written, then your device is not supported 5 GHz. If only ABGN is written, then obviously your device is 5 GHz supported. So after that, let's go to my router. This is my router, and let me show you my 5 GHz is also enabled. Here you can see the name is Virus 5G. So in my phone, now I'm going to my setting and then connection and then Wi-Fi. Let me show you. Here you can see this is the free Wi-Fi, the 2.4 GHz is only showing up. If I refresh, but it doesn't show up my Virus 5 GHz device. So how you can solve it? Is it your router is broken or anything else? No, my router is all okay. This router is I just bought yesterday from the market. It's absolutely fine and it's brand new. So I have come with a solution why my router is not showing 5 GHz network. So if you are using Tenda, it's look like mine. But if you are using TP-Link or any other devices, it also has the Wi-Fi setting and channel bandwidth. This channel bandwidth is also located in like Wi-Fi name, password or Wi-Fi security in the same tab in your router setting. But my router setting is different, but because my router is standard. So in your channel bandwidth, here you can see 5 GHz Wi-Fi channel. It's auto selected and currently at 40. That's why it's not showing up in my devices. So you need to select it, the max setting available. My 161, if you have 165, it's okay. Now select set. Wait for 10 to 20 seconds to apply this setting. And after that, just refresh the Wi-Fi. Here you can see my 5 GHz is available now and I have connected to the internet. So that's it guys. That's the problem solution. And if you helped by the video, please like and subscribe my channel. It will help me motivate a lot to create more awesome tips like that. And if you have any problem or any questions, please let me know through the comment section and I will get to you as soon as possible. Till next video, goodbye, tata.